Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You're asking, is the income made from a YouTube channel halal? As far as I understand, YouTube makes money through different advertisements that they run in the videos. This ad usually contain music, non-hijabi women, etc. So if we make it a decent YouTube channel, like cooking or gardening channel, and we get paid for it from this ad revenue, does that make this income haram? Yes, it is haram, barakallah fiqh, because you're cooperating with them upon sin and transgression. And Allah said in the Quran, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. And cooperate with one another upon al-birr, righteousness, with taqwa and piety, and do not cooperate upon sin and transgression. So it is not permissible, barakallah fiqh, to cooperate with them. But if the Salafis can have their own channel where it can be controlled and they can broadcast these things and get paid by those the viewers, the Salafi viewers, who benefit from these cooking channels and gardens and gardening and stuff like that. Alhamdulillah, this is something good. Walillahi alhamd. Now.